Hi, I'm Timothy Sweet from San Remo, Victoria, and today we're standing in front of the F18 and we're going to be talking about how to look after and maintain your steam wand. So let's go. On the F18 we want to maintain the pressure and hygiene of the machine and the steam wand by looking after it and keeping it nice and clean. We can do that in between purging milk by activating the steam wand and clearing the tip of any excess dried milk that's on the tip. After purging your steam wand, you should also wipe down your wand and return the chucks back to its original position, ready for the next time it needs to be used. By doing so, you're reducing the amount of potential blockages you're going to have later on. If in the situation that your steam tip does block because of either excess or dry milk at the tip, it's important to take off or remove the steam tip and soak it in chemical. We're going to use Cafetto, which is a standard cleaning product here in Australia, and we're going to remove the tip just by taking very carefully the tip off using a cloth or something that we can protect our hand from the heat. It's important that because of the Cool Touch wand, not to just yank it out, but as it comes loose, continue turning the steam wand tip off so that it comes away nice and neatly. From there, we're going to take the steam wand tip, place it in a small container, we're going to add a small amount or half a measure of Cafetto, and we're going to dilute the Cafetto powder, and we're going to let that solution sit for about 10 to 15 minutes. Once the steam tip has been sitting in that chemical solution about 5 or 10 minutes, I'm going to separate the excess water and solution by pouring it down the catch tray. I'm going to take that steam tip, which is now clean, I'm going to reapply it to the steam wand. I want to do this gently, and I want to focus on reconnecting that thread to the internal thread of the steam wand. Continue to turn the steam tip until it won't turn any further and it's flush with the rest of the steam wand. I'm going to now purge that steam wand for any excess liquid or chemical cleaner that's in the steam tip. I'm going to give it one last wipe for good measure. And that steam wand is now ready for service tomorrow morning. Thanks for watching. I hope you got a lot out of that. Stay tuned to San Remo on YouTube to get more information about the new San Remo equipment coming out soon. Thanks again. Cheers.